from the circles chapter, when we finding the equation of a circle, we have to know what is the center h comma k and radius. If the center h comma k and radius are there, which like we have to find the circle equation. The circle equation is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equals to r square. If h comma k and radius are given, it is the formula. See, here one question is there. Find the equation and center of the circle passing through the points 3, 4 and 3, 2 and 1, 4. Let we take these 3, 4 and 3, 2 and 1, 4 are A, B, C points. If then A is 3, 4, B is 3, 2 and C is 1, 4. Where is the h comma k? We have to assume let S be a center is on the circle h comma k. Then for we have to get h comma k. We don't know what is the h comma k. For finding h comma k, we have to use the distance formula. What is the distance formula? SA square is equals to x2 minus x1 whole square minus y2 minus y1 whole square. Or otherwise, we can write SA is equals to under root of x2 minus x1 whole square minus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now, what we have to find the distance between S and A. We have to find the distance between S and A. We have to find the distance between S and B, and we have to find the distance between S and C. Now we have to find the distance between S and A. What now? S is h comma k and A is 3, 4. Now we have to find the distance. Now we will take S is the x2, h is the x2, k is the y2. Then A 3 is the x1, 4 is the y1. Now SA square, x2 what? h minus x1 what? 3, h minus 3 whole square minus k is the y2 minus 4 is the y1 whole square, k minus 4 whole square is equals to 0. This is the first equation we get. Now SB square. What is the SB square? Again h comma k is the S. What is the B here? 3, 2. From we have to do the distance between S and B. We get that h minus 3 whole square minus k minus 2 whole square. Again SC square. What is the distance between SC square? SC square means h minus 1 whole square minus k minus 4 whole square is equal to 0. What is this? This is the third equation. Now we are equating 1 and 2. We got the equation 1 and equation 2 and equation 3. From this we are equating equation 1 minus equation 2. See here. What is the equation 1? H minus 3 whole square minus k minus 4 whole square is equal to 0. Here written. I have written here. So again minus of here h minus 3 whole square minus k minus 2 whole square. When we are multiplying with minus, the signs will be changed. See here plus, here minus into plus, here minus. Plus h minus 3 whole square minus h minus 3 whole square will get cancelled. So what you get? 0. See here. Minus k minus 4 whole square. Minus k minus 4 whole square plus minus into minus plus. So we get plus k minus 2 whole square is equals to 0. Same we have to equate these two. Which like see here. See here. See. Minus k minus 4 whole square. What is the form of a minus b whole square? A square minus b square plus 2ab. What is the formula of a minus b whole square? A square minus 2ab plus b square. See, k minus 4 whole square. K square means a square minus 2ab minus 2k into 4. 2 4 is 8. 8 into k. 8k plus b square 16. Like that k minus 2 whole square. K square minus 4k plus 4 is equals to 0. When we apply the minus, here total the signs will be changed. Which like if it is plus, it will get minus. If it is minus, we will get plus. See here we get plus k square. Now we get minus k square. Again, here minus 8k, we get plus 8. Here plus, we get minus. From this, you get the answer minus k square plus 8k minus 16 plus k square minus 8k plus 4 is equals to 0. Again, we have to take the same terms at one side. See, minus k square and plus k square at one side, plus 8k and minus 4k at one side. Again, minus 16 and plus 4 at one side. See, minus k square and plus k square get cancelled. We get 8 minus 4, 4k minus 16 minus plus 4 is minus 12 is equals to 0. Then 4k minus 12 is equals to 0. 4k is equals to 12. When we are getting the 12, we get this side. Now 4 we get this side, it will get divided. K is equals to 12 by 4. Now we get K value. We have got K value. Now when we are equating equation 1 minus equation 3, we get the value of H. See, H minus 3 whole square minus K minus 4 whole square is equals to 0. Then when we are minus of H minus 1 whole square minus K minus 4 whole square is equals to 0. We have to get H value. So we have to cancel the K minus 4. See, here minus K minus 4 whole square, again here minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus, minus K minus 4 whole square plus K minus 4 whole square get cancelled. We will remain H minus 3 whole square minus H minus 1 whole square. Then when we are getting that a minus b whole square is in the form of a minus b whole square, what we have write? H square minus 6h plus 9 minus of h square minus 2h plus 1 is equals to 0. Apply this minus to this one. H square minus 6h plus 9 minus h square plus 2h minus 1 is equals to 0. Again, get the same terms at one side. H square minus h square minus 6h plus 2h plus 9 minus 1 is equals to 0. Now h square and h square get cancelled. Again, minus 6h plus 2h we get minus 4h plus 9 minus 1 get 8. 4h is equals to 8. Then h is equals to 8 by 4. We get h value 2. We get h comma k, but we have to get r, radius. From r only we have to find the equation of the circle. For getting r, we have to substitute this one any of the point. Okay, we are given point any of the one point. We have to substitute this 2 comma 3. I will substitute the 2 comma 3 as in C. For that we have to find the distance. SC square is equals to 2 minus 1 whole square minus 3 minus 4 whole square. Then SC square is equals to 1 square minus half minus 1 whole square. Then we get SC square is equals to 1 plus 1. Now SC square is equals to 2. Now SC is equals to under root of 2. And we got h comma k and r is 2 comma 3 and root 2. Now we can equation of the required circle. We have h comma k and radius r. What is the formula to find the circle? X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equals to r square. See here, x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equals to r is under root of 2 whole square. Here x minus 4x, 2x minus 4x plus 4 plus y square minus 6y plus 9 is equals to 0. Then see plus now no need to change the signs. So x square substitute. Okay, equate this from x square, then y square, then x, then y and constant. X square minus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 4 and plus 9. When we get to here, it will be minus 2 is equals to 0. See, x square minus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 7 is equals to 0. This is the required equation.